Located in Brandon, Mississippi on Marquette Road is the Rankin County Master Gardeners Hill Garden. This garden is located directly beside the Quarry Park trails, this paved pathway. And the Hill Garden had a nature trail, and there's a sign that indicates where that nature trail was. And the nature trail has now been incorporated into the Quarry Park's trail system. So you can now access the Quarry Park trails from the Hill Garden or vice versa. You can just go down the sidewalk, go right around this bend. There is the connector. It was a old set of trails that have now been connected into the new Quarry Park trails.